dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Education. Now let's start exercise 1D. Question number 3. Verify each of the following. First part, 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18 equals to 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18. Let's consider LHS. 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18. 5 into 12 upon 7 into 13 into 7 by 18. 60 upon 90 into 7 by 18. 60 into 7 upon 90 into 18 is equals to 420 upon 1638. Both numerator and denominator divide by 42 is equals to 10 by 13. RHS 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18. 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7, 13 into 18. 5 by 7 into 84 upon 234 equals to 420 upon 1638 is divided by both numerator and denominator by 42 equals to 10 by 13. LHS equal to RHS is verified. Second part is minus 13 upon 24 into minus 12 upon 5 into 35 upon 36 is equals to minus 13 upon 24 into minus 12 upon 5 into 35 upon 36. Now consider LHS. Minus 13 upon 24 into minus 12 upon 5 into 35 upon 36. Minus 13 into 13 upon 24 into minus 12 into 35 upon 5 into 36 minus 13 upon 24 into minus 420 upon 180 equals to 5460 upon 4320. RHS is equal to minus 13 upon 24 into minus 12 upon 5 into 35 upon 36 minus 13 into minus 12 upon 24 into 5 into 35 upon 36 156 upon 120 into 35 upon 36 is equals to 156 into 35 upon 120 into 36 is equals to 5460 upon 4320 is divided by both numerator and denominator similar number by 10 is equals to 546 upon 432 both numerator and denominator divide by 6 is equals to 91 upon 72. Third part is minus 9 by 5 into 10 minus 10 by 3 into 21 upon minus 4 equals to minus 9 by 5 into minus 10 by 3 into 21 upon minus 4. Let's us consider LHS. Minus 9 by 5 into minus 10 upon 3 into 21 upon minus 4 minus 9 into minus 10 into upon 5 into 3 into 21 upon 4 minus 4 equals to 90 upon 15 into 21 upon minus 4 equals to 90 into 21 upon 15 into minus 4 equals to 1890 upon minus 60 into minus 1 equals to minus 1890 upon 60 equals to minus 189 upon 6. RHS consider minus 9 upon 5 into minus 10 upon 3 into minus into 21 upon minus 4 equals to minus 9 upon 5 into minus 10 into 21 upon 3 into minus 4 equals to minus 9 upon 5 into minus 210 upon minus 12 equals to minus 9 into 210 upon 5 into 12 equals to minus 1890 upon 60 equals to minus 809 upon 6. Both numerator and denominator divide by 3 equals to minus 63 upon 2.